A very good morning to you all. So in this lecture we would be discussing about the field effect. So as the name suggests that the field effect, it operates through the field or through the space. So first of all, we should understand that it is a type of inductive effect only. As we know that inductive effect, it operates through the carbon bonds, that if one polar bond is present at one end of the carbon chain, it will induce the polarity or it will induce the charge among the other bonds. So it is also a type of inductive effect only, but it does not operate through the bonds or the carbon chain, but it operates through the field or through the space of the molecule. So how we can define field effect? It is the effect that results from the electrostatic interaction between two charge centers in the same molecule, which operates through the space or solvent molecules. Let us consider this example. This is our malonic acid, and we are doing the ionization of malonic acid. Malonic acid CH2COOH. It reacts with water and we will get this carboxylate ion. This is ion number 1. Now there is one hydrogen atom still present here, and there is possibility that we can it can further ionize to give the another hydrogen atom. So this is the second ionization reaction and we will get this dicarboxylate ion, that is anion number 2. So but in this, the generation of anion number 2 is very difficult. Why? Because here the solvent molecules, the solvent molecule will generate the field effect. How they will generate the field effect? This anion number 1, it has only one negative charge center. It will create a strong field effect because in this molecule, anion number 2, there are two negative charge centers and negative will repel each other. So this molecule will be comparatively less stable as compared to this molecule. So its formation will not be preferred or it will be disfavored. So these water molecule or solvent molecule, they will generate in association with this anion number 1, they will generate strong field effect and they will not favor the generation of anion number 2. This can be studied with the help of their rate constant. Rate constant of reaction number 1 is more as compared to rate constant of reaction number 2. Also the dissociation constant of, if we take the ratio of dissociation constant of two steps, that is Ka1 over Ka2, it is found to be nearly 700. That means relative to the removal of proton from the malonic acid, it is very difficult to remove the proton from the anion number 1. That is in step number 2, from anion number 1 to form the anion number 2, because anion number 2 has two negative charge centers and this molecule will not be as stable as compared to this anion number 1. So its formation will not be preferred. Another example we can discuss this also. These are two isomeric carboxylic acids. So here we can see that two chlorine atoms, they are present on this side, and here two chlorine atoms are present. Only the position is different, but only the direction is different, but they are present on the same position. Now as we know that chlorine has minus I effect, so number of bonds between chlorine atoms and this carboxylic acid group in both the molecules is same. Number of intervening bonds between chlorine and carboxylic acid is same. But here the chlorine atom is present on this side and here the chlorine atoms are present on this side. So in both the molecules, chlorine atom, they will show the minus I effect. Their minus I effect will be same in both the molecules, but their field effect will be different in both the molecules, as they will show the minus I effect. Here the field effect in this molecule will be more stronger because here chlorine is present near to the carboxylic acid group as compared to the field effect in this molecule, because here chlorine is little distant from the carboxylic acid group as compared to this molecule number 1. So the acidic strength, if we discuss, acidic strength of this molecule number 1 is much more than the acidic strength of this molecule number 2. It can be, it is explained on the basis of field effect, because here we can see that inductive effect is same in both the molecules, because number of intervening bonds between carboxylic acid and chlorine group is same, only the field effect is different. So acidic strength, difference in acidic strength of both the molecules can be explained on the basis of field effect. However, the inductive effect is same in both the molecules. Thank you so much.